Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some string light or fairy light DIYs. Let's get started. Write any of your favorite word on the wall using string light. I'm writing love. You can write happy, smile or dream. As you can see, it's done. Now we are gonna light this up. If you want to make it more blingy, you can add some multicolored string light like I have done. I have added multicolored string light at the lower part. If you want, you can add it all over. We are gonna make a photo frame. For this, we are gonna stick a chart paper on the wall. Chart paper is totally optional. If you want, you can just make a square with the help of string light like I have shown here. Stick some pictures on the wall or chart paper and light this up. For this DIY, we are gonna add some multicolor string light like this. Hang some pictures or any letter you like with the help of binder clip or clothespin. And just light this up. It looks so beautiful. This DIY is very simple. Just add string lights on the wall as shown. Light it up. For next DIY, just add some pictures or letters with the help of binder clip and light it up. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which one you like the most. Please subscribe to my channel and share the link.